As you can see, this small command just deleted all of my published applications.
You have XML files, no problem.
I have my XML file.
Just for practical jokes on the IT department.
So if we take the setup slide again. I have much more included in the presentation than I can show you here right now.
That's what everyone says.
Yeah. You can see if you download the presentation. So I'm going to import the applications from the XML file I just created. Let's run that. Let's go back and refresh. Here are my applications. So just an example how easy it is to export something and to import something. That's quite how the setup migration tool works, more or less. Okay, so I have a use case here, which will finalize my presentation. A customer wanted to have a single golden image for his VDI environment, where he deployed worldwide. So he had a few sites, one in Asia, one in US, the States, one in Europe, and yeah, that was. So he wanted to maintain one golden image for the VDI deployment for every country, and the difficulties are there are several agents which are pointing to a particular server, antivirus server, for example the absence personalization server, the app V server, and so on. These are agents which point to a particular region or server. And our solution here was to have a personalization script which is running at the startup of the virtual machine when it's booting from provisioning services. So we did that in PowerShell, and what we also did in PowerShell is how to fill the personality settings onto the PBS devices. So we have a script where you can fill up in an Excel sheet the personality settings. For example, AV agent for Asia is there. What's going to happen then is the startup script is going to read out the INI file from provisioning service, which is located on the C drive usually. It's called personality.ini. It's going to read that, and it's going to execute the personalization of the agents, app agent, absence agent, and so on. And afterward, it starts the agent. So we have a personality for each country using two PowerShell scripts. So that was a use case. How can it help you to simplify things, not even to make it more complex. That was a good question. Where do I start when I want to get running up with PowerShell? Just Google yourself with the not yourself, just go to Google and search yourself for some code or some functionalities. Somebody may already did the job for you, so just search and copy and paste together. If you know somehow the basics, you're really fast up and running there. There are some websites, you can read it afterwards, including mine. I'm also posting some scripts where I spent hours to get it working. So somehow you will find their information.
Can we make order to you?
Yes.
You order a script and you wrote.
Yeah, of course.
Very funny.
Of course, for free. Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
No. Yeah. So I'd like to thank you and apologize for the cloud issue. But if you have any questions, just drop me a mail. If you have the script or you're stuck to how to do something, to know it exactly, just drop me an email. I try to help you somehow in usual time.
And his hourly air rate is 1,000 euros, and 50% goes to me. Thanks very much.